Let us decorate this stunning roller skate cake for Amy's 8th birthday. We started off with a cake that's already filled, stacked, and crumb coated. I'm adding a nice purple color to the base, a light blue color to the middle, and a lavender color to the top of the cake. Now we're creating this nice three-tone effect on the cake. Just get all your buttercream to the places you want them to be. Then you get yourself a cake smoothing tool to go around that cake a few times to achieve a nice smooth finish and blend those colors perfectly. Now that my cake is nicely blended, I popped it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Now I'm using a thin scraper to cut away those edges to leave it nice, clean, and sharp. This is how I get my sharp buttercream edges and my flat tops on my buttercream covered cakes. Now that I'm very happy with how the top of the cake is, I'm going to go ahead and apply some drips. This drip was made with white chocolate and water. Yes, you heard me right. This is just a water ganache drip, and I added some Color Mill white food color to it just to get rid of that yellow undertone. Once I'm done, I'm spreading that baby out on top of the cake. Then I'm going to be lifting the spatula a bit to create that little wavy effect on top of the cake, because I didn't like how rough the ganache was looking on top of that cake. Now that the base of my cake is all done, now it's time to get it all fancy. Remember, I never present my cakes on those silver cake drums. They're okay, but when you decorate your cake drums, believe me, it elevates your cakes and take them to a whole new level. Once I'm done decorating my cake board, I go ahead and use my scraper again just to cut away the excess fondant. And time to add some decorative pieces to the cake. All of these pieces, I made them with fondant. And look at me. I added all those sprinkles to the donut before putting it on the cake. While putting it on, every single one of them fall off. Anyways, I added a little bit of water to the donut while it's on the cake and carefully fit the sprinkles back in. Now that roller skater, I made it. I completely forgot to record the making process of that. Anyways, one day in the future when somebody else order a cake like this, I'll be sure to record it. I went ahead, added some tiny details to it, added some luster dust, because what is a cake these days without some lovely luster dust? Those are the musical notes and disco balls that I'm adding to the cake. They're not edible, and my client was advised to remove them before cutting into her cake. Those are the only inedible bits, along with the cake topper that says Amy rolling into it. Everything else was handmade and fully edible. If you like the making of this cake, go ahead, drop a comment down below, like this video, and make sure that you are following. Until next time, keep on baking.